The average annual salary of an engineer is 135,000. The average annual salary of a physician is 210,000. So now let's try to complete this sentence by filling out the blank. The average annual salary of a physician is blank percent of the average annual salary of an engineer. So here our reference value is the annual salary of an engineer. So the average annual salary of a physician divided by the average annual salary of an engineer. So our reference value sits in the denominator, times 100% is what we need. That's equal to 155.56%. I've rounded it to the second decimal place. So that's what fits in here, 155.56%. So the average annual salary of a physician is 155.56% of the average annual salary of an engineer. Now, this is slightly different. The average annual salary of a physician is blank percent greater than the average annual salary of an engineer. So the average annual salary of an engineer is our reference number, but we want to find out the amount by which the average annual salary of a physician is greater than that of an engineer. So we're going to take the difference, 210,000 minus the reference value 135,000 divided by 135,000 times 100%. So it's is equal to 55.56%. So the average annual salary of a physician is blank percent greater than, and that's why we took the difference. And the reference value, we are comparing the average annual salary of a physician to that of an engineer. So our engineer, annual salary of the engineer becomes the reference value, which is in the denominator. So read the question carefully before you answer it. So what is the difference between the two? One last time. The average annual salary of a physician is blank percent of the average annual salary of an engineer. Here in the second question, it says the average annual salary of the physician is blank percent greater than, and that's when you take the difference.